That one, ENG. So now the job is finished. We did the conversion over. I'll show you right now how the job, a couple hours, see how the job came out. Here goes the burner, the new gas burner. Shuttle valve, make sure I bond the line, the electrical box. There goes the old oil burner, the old barometric. For the new one, checking the stabilize the CO there, stabilizing. We see we bring it down a little bit more, 5.7. Tap into the fuel line here. So that's your oil to natural gas conversion here. They're going to save a lot of money. A lot of money. They don't have to worry about fuel oil. Also, I recommend that we put a carbon monoxide detector just as a peace of mind. That's a precaution there, just to make sure that everything is working properly.